Building wealth is important, but protecting it is even more critical. Rocket Money Bag. Welcome to Abhik Parth, your guide to smart financial decisions. In today's episode, we'll cover white heavy checkmark, why protecting your money is as important as growing it. White heavy checkmark, the must-have insurances for financial security. White heavy checkmark, a practical example to help you take action today. Stay tuned till the end because this knowledge can save you from financial disasters. Fire. Left-pointing magnifying glass. Step 1. Why protecting your money is essential. Many people think, I earn well, I save money, why do I need protection? Pushpin, because life is unpredictable. Emergencies can wipe out your savings, medical bills, accidents, job loss. Smart people protect their money first, then invest. Bar chart example. Ravi and Suresh both earn 1 lakh rupees per month. Ravi saves and invests but has no insurance. Suresh invests but also has health and life insurance. One day, Ravi faces a medical emergency costing 10 lakh rupees. He loses all his savings. Money with wings. But Suresh's insurance covers his bills and his savings stay intact. White heavy checkmark. Electric light bulb lesson. Earning is not enough, protect what you earn. Left-pointing magnifying glass. Step 2. Must have insurances for financial safety. There are 4 key insurances everyone must have. 1 key cap health insurance, medical cover, hospital. Pushpin. Why? Medical treatments are expensive. A single hospital bill can destroy years of savings. Electric light bulb example. A heart surgery costs 7 to 10 rupees lakh in India. A 10 lakh rupees health insurance policy costs just 10,000 rupee per year. Which one is smarter? Spending 10,000 rupees or losing 10 lakh rupees? Heavy checkmark, best for everyone, young, old, employed, self-employed. 2 key cap term life insurance, protection for family, family manvumangal boy. Pushpin. Why? If you have dependents, parents, spouse, kids, they need financial security. Term insurance gives your family a big amount if something happens to you. Electric light bulb example. Ramesh earns 50,000 rupees per month and has a 1 crore rupees term plan. If anything happens to him, his family gets 1 crore rupees tax-free. Monthly cost? Just 800 rupees to 1000 rupees. Heavy checkmark, best for anyone with a family depending on them. 3 key cap critical illness and disability cover ambulance. Pushpin. Why? If you suffer from a major illness, cancer, heart disease, stroke, treatment costs 20 to 50 rupees lakh. If an accident makes you disabled, your income stops. Heavy checkmark, best for self-employed, business owners, professionals. 4 key cap asset insurance, car, home, business, automobile, house building. Pushpin. Why? If your house burns down or your car gets stolen, you lose lakhs. Insurance covers these unexpected losses. Electric light bulb example. Amit's car gets stolen. Without insurance is equal to 8 lakh rupees loss. Rohan has insurance. He gets a full claim is equal to 0 rupee loss. Heavy checkmark, best for anyone who owns valuable assets. Left-pointing magnifying glass. Step 3. Smart money management emergency fund. Pushpin rule: before investing, save 6 months' expenses as an emergency fund. Electric light bulb example: if you need 40,000 rupees per month to live, save at least 2.4 lakh rupees in a liquid account. This protects you from job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected expenses. Rocket: where to keep it? 50% in fixed deposit, FD, bank safe and gives returns. 50% in a liquid mutual fund money bag, quick access, better returns. Public address loudspeaker final thoughts. Electric light bulb: earning and investing are useless if you don't protect your money. Pushpin action steps. White heavy checkmark: buy health insurance today if you don't have it. White heavy checkmark: get a term plan if you have a family. White heavy checkmark: build an emergency fund before investing. Speech balloon comment below: do you have health and life insurance? Let's discuss. Public address loudspeaker: subscribe to Abhik Parth for more financial wisdom. Let's grow together. Rocket bell: what if I told you that managing money doesn't have to be complicated? Welcome to Abhik Parth, where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps. Rocket. Today's episode covers white heavy checkmark: why automation is the secret to financial success. White heavy checkmark: how to set up automatic savings and investments. White heavy checkmark: a real-life example that will change the way you manage money forever. Stay till the end, this one habit can make you rich without stress. Money bag fire. Left pointing magnifying glass step 1. Why keeping it simple works best. Many people struggle with money because they overcomplicate things. Chart with downward trend. Too many bank accounts. Too many investment choices. Too many expenses to track. Electric light bulb solution: automate your money. Rocket: when you automate. White heavy checkmark: you save before spending. White heavy checkmark: you invest without thinking. White heavy checkmark: you pay bills on time, avoiding penalties. Pushpin example: Ravi earns 50,000 rupees per month. Every month, he plans to save 10,000 rupee but forgets or spends it. Disappointed face. Suresh automates his savings. 10,000 rupees auto-debited to an investment account on salary day. 5,000 rupees auto-paid for bills and loans. Only 35,000 rupee left to spend. Bar chart result: Ravi wastes money and saves nothing. Suresh saves and invests effortlessly. Electric light bulb lesson: set it and forget it. Fire. Left pointing magnifying glass step 2. How to automate your finances. Here's a simple 3-step automation plan. 1. Keycap automate savings money bag. Pushpin: how? Open a separate savings account for goals. Auto transfer a fixed amount on salary day. Heavy checkmark: best for emergency fund, big purchases, travel, home buying. To keycap automate investments, chart with upward trend. Pushpin: how? Start a SIP, systematic investment plan, in mutual funds. Set up auto deductions for index funds, PPF, NPS, or stocks. Heavy checkmark: best for long-term wealth building. Electric light bulb example: Amit invests 5,000 rupees per month in an index fund via SIP. In 10 years, at 12% returns, he gets 11 lakh rupees. Bar chart: he never has to remember to invest. 3. Keycap automate expenses and bills credit card. Pushpin: how? Set up auto pay for electricity, rent, EMIs. Use credit cards wisely, pay full balance every month. Heavy checkmark best for avoiding late fees, improving credit score. Electric light bulb example. Pooja forgets to pay her credit card bill. Pays 1000 rupees late fee every time. Face with open mouth and cold sweat. Rahul autopays his bill and saves 12,000 rupees per year. Fire. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 3. The money flow system. Simple setup. Follow this flow. Banknote with $sign salary auto split. Invest and save first, spend last. Heavy checkmark 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. Heavy checkmark 30% for investments, SIP, stocks, gold. Heavy checkmark 20% for savings and fun, emergency fund, travel, shopping. Electric light bulb key rule. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Fire. Public address loudspeaker. Final thoughts. Pushpin. What to do now? White heavy checkmark. Set up automatic transfers for savings and investments today. White heavy checkmark. Make your money work for you, even while you sleep. Sleeping symbol. Money bag. Speech balloon. Comment below. Do you use automation for savings? Let's discuss. Public address loudspeaker. Subscribe to Abhik Parth for expert money tips. Let's grow rich together.